Allegedly in Mobile, Alabama, bathing in city fountains is prohibited. Section 39-82, washing in, tampering with, etc. Fountains, etc. Fountains. Any person who at any time washing his hands, feet, face, or feet in any of the fountains in the city or obstructs the flow of water into the same or in any manner tampers with or abuses such fountain or its fixtures shall be punished as provided in Chapter 1, Article 2, City Code 1991, Code 1965, subsection 41-11. While the law is complete, it is not like anyone would be polluting drinking water through washing with the water of a fountain, and most have a filtration system attached to the pump. The establishment of this law just goes to show the stupidity and ignorance of U.S. American society. I will try my best to make these laws sound as despicably stupid as possible. My name is Vincent Dunlap, and I'm reporting the most stupid and dumb laws in these United States. Allegedly, accused but not proven, questionably true. Please respond with your comments, updates, and/or sensible criticism, including if I'm missing. Please like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy your day.